Hi everybody, I'm Mike, the Colorado Lawn Guy, and welcome back to the Park Project. Today is the 30th of July, and we are going to take a quick look at the park, and we are going to go ahead and give it its first mow. We are 8 days since fertilizing, and we'll take a look at everything, take a look at what it looks like. We'll get a good mow in, and we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned, here we go. We are on day 8 of the project, and look at that. Look at that green. You can actively tell the difference between the rest of the park and this space in here. So let's just do a quick recap of what we did. We scalped the lawn. We took it down to the lowest setting, roughly about an inch. We did a rake of the entire area, taking up all that dead matter. We did a fertilization treatment. We did 18-24-8, I believe was on the bag rate. You'll have to go back and look at the other video, but I believe that's what the bag rate was. And that was 12 pounds that was laid down in this area. And so far, looking pretty good. Let's take a look at some of the areas that ended up looking really bad in the beginning. Again, just as a reminder, this is what we were dealing with. This really patchy, thick, messy looking areas just like this. We didn't have any grass growing in. And one of those areas that we had looking like that earlier was right here. And as you can see, we're starting to get that grass growing in. It could use an additional rake, because I can still kind of feel some of that spongy matter in here. You know, we could go through and do another rake, but that's okay. We're gonna kind of let it go and see what happens. But one of the things you really get to see, again, right down in here. Now go ahead and zoom in and look at this little guy right there popping through. So we're getting new growth. We're getting new growth out of the crowns of the plants. So it's going to start multiplying. You can see this one already sprouting another leaf blade out of the crown of the plant. And so everything's working. So I can already tell, and some of these spots, the grass is getting pretty long here. So we're going to get it back down to 2 inches. And then we will kind of take a look at the rest of it once we're done mowing. So here we go. And that's that for today. I got the mow in, got it kind of cut, cleaned up a little bit, lay down a little bit of striping just to clean it up. But already just a nice transformation, just from where it started several days ago to right now. And so as some of these spots like this here begin to fill in, and it'll take probably at least, like I said, 30 days, 45 days for some of that to fill in, because again, there was so much matting in those areas that a lot of the grass either wasn't poking through or died off, and some of those spots may end up needing to be reseeded. And we're supposed to be really hot over the next week or 2 weeks here in Colorado. So one of the most important pieces that we're gonna need to do out here is just make sure that this is getting the right amount of water each day. And so I'll be just checking, making sure the sprinklers are running each night during the time that it's supposed to go off. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. So again, really important, making sure that the water is getting down. We're going to make sure that we're mowing it every couple days. Every 3 or 4 days is going to be just fine out here for now. And we should really see a difference roughly about August 20th, August 22nd. Will kind of be that 30-day mark. And so I am really excited to see how this transforms by that time, and especially again through that heat stretch that we're going to see. I'm excited to have a nice green patch out here that everybody can enjoy. So my name's Mike. I'm the Colorado Lawn Guy. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.